In this video, I want to give you a guided overview of my book, A Challenge to Einstein, not by diving into the details, but by showing how the book is structured and how its ideas are structured from beginning to end. Purpose of this video. The purpose here is simple. I want you to understand how the book is organized, how ideas connect, and how the upcoming videos will follow that same structure, chapter by chapter. How the book is organized. The book is organized as a progression, not as disconnected topics. It begins with history, moves through relativity and its successes, then gradually steps back to examine deeper assumptions about space, energy, fields, and ultimately, cosmology. Part 1, Foundations and History. The book opens with historical foundations. We look at the luminiferous ether, star aberration, early light experiments, and partial ether drag theories. This section is not about nostalgia, it's about understanding why the problem of light and space existed long before Einstein. Part 2, Relativity and its Successes. Next, the book turns to relativity itself, both special and general. We examine why relativity was needed, what problems it solved, and why its classical tests, such as Mercury's precession, gravitational lensing, and gravitational redshift, were so compelling. Part 3. Stress testing relativity. But scientific theories don't stop with success. This section looks at phenomena often cited as confirmations of relativity, such as muons, cosmic background radiation, dark matter, and dark energy, and asks whether they are simply confirmations or whether they also raise new questions. Part 4. Questions and Theories. From there, the book opens its lens. We look at quantum questions, particles and photons, waves versus particles, and even sound and light as physical analogies, all to better understand how energy actually propagates. Part 5, Fields, Forces, and Energy. At the heart of the book is a focus on fields and forces. Electromagnetic waves, fields, gravity, magnetism, and light propagation are examined not just mathematically, but conceptually, asking what kind of physical reality underlies them. Part 6, Space, Time, and Cosmology. Finally, the book opens up larger questions: time and space, cosmology, unified theories, wormholes, and black holes. These chapters do not claim final answers. They frame the questions that naturally arise if space itself has structure and physical properties. What comes next? In the videos that follow, we will slow down. The next video will begin Chapter 1, The Luminiferous Ether, and from there we will move carefully, one chapter at a time, building ideas step by step. The book. If you want full arguments, historical detail, and conceptual development, A Challenge to Einstein is available on Amazon in paperback and Kindle. The videos expand on the book, but the book stands on its own.